Hey guys, we got this GENIANI Ultrasonic cool mist humidifier for bedroom, large rooms, or home. It's a 4-liter easy fill and clean humidifier. Let me unbox and show this. This is all the literature and manual, but the function should be pretty straightforward. This can be also used for plants with auto shut off and is a 40-hour runtime. It's a quiet top fill air humidifier and a vaporizer for baby. So as per my first impression, you see like this is the electric one and the quality is good, the material. So let me just open and show everything first. This is the flap for for the water thing, and this will be like for the air filter. So just take this out. You can also take out this air filter. You can change the filter or clean it and put it back. So that's a good thing. Um, and also they have this rubber stopper so it will hold, it will not skid on the table. And this is the main humidifier unit. So let me just take this out. The adapter is inside this, so let's take this adapter and then start working with it. So this can hold up to 1.05 gallon of the water and can go up to 375 square feet. So this is the top part where you can put the water. So let me just put this in and start on showing the function. So this adapter is also the 240 watts, so it can be used anywhere. And this also is, the good for the dry weather or anything. So I'm just putting some water inside. You can put more water if you want. And we can just close this and start the machine. So this also have this LED switch and the LED light in the switch, and you can see like a cool mist start coming up. It's a the good amount of mist, and this is the starting speed. So it can go to different speeds. This is the highest speed, and you can also do like the multiple function. You have to hit that button repeatedly, the on and off switch, and you can see like this cool mist vapors here. So it's pretty nice and very helpful in the dry weather or the dry season. And you can see this LED. This is also the water level indicator and is also a different LED light for soothing effect. And this is when you stop, it's ultimately stopped. So it's very nice, humidifier with this LED switch and LED, the indicator, and a cool three different speed humidifier. It's easy to clean as well, like, just throw the water and just clean it up.